Disclaimer, this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only.
Imagine making $3,000 a day trading meme coins. You would have to be exceptional. Perfect entries, perfect exits, zero emotion. But now let's flip the script and imagine making $3,000 a day launching meme coins. That's not elite, that's not 1 in a million. That is the average day for a semi-decent developer. And you can see it live. If we go onto Axiom and we click on the first coin we see, that is doing well. The developer has already walked away with $26 in profit in literally less than 45 seconds. And if we click onto his wallet, we can see he has made $17,000 within the last 7 days. And this shouldn't shock you, because here's the reality that no one seems to tell you. For every one developer, there are hundreds of traders, and 95% of those traders lose money. But that money doesn't just disappear. That money flows directly into the developers' wallets. So you have two options. You can either spend months trying to engineer the perfect trading strategy only to get dumped on by someone like me who will launch the coin, or you can be the one who launches it. If you're watching this video, it's because you already know trading isn't the way to get filthy rich. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how developers consistently make thousands of dollars per day and how you can do it as well. Let's get into it. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to make $3,000 a day dumping meme coins on traders. And I just want to quickly say, if this is you right now and you go, it's not real, it's impossible, this is immoral, I'm gay, then you should just click off the video immediately, because this just isn't for you. You're not built to be a developer. Go out there and trade meme coins and I will just continue to take your money. But if you're not saying those type of things and you are ready to learn, then watch this video, because this actually works. And with this exact method I'm going to teach you, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars in doing so. By the end of the video, I will show you how a developer thinks, and we will literally build $1 million meme coin live that will make us tens of thousands of dollars. Making $3,000 a day is nice, but there are developers who make tens of thousands of dollars per project they release, and they release a project a day. So step number one, we need to find the market meta and coins that we can twist on. Now, what this means is that if there is a big coin that's exploding, if there is a big news event, and if there is a niche, we need to find it and then simply make a coin and twist it. And we're going to be doing this together step by step. So take a look at the screen and look for a repeat of niches and names. Take a look. I'll give you guys a few seconds. Try to spot meme coins that are very similar. And if you don't see any, then look closer, because there are a few meme coins on this graph. This is taken from Deck Screener, and there are the same meme coins in the same niche being launched over and over again with slightly different variations. We can see it here with America is Back. This coin was launched 1 year ago. It's currently trending second. A developer launched a new coin called America is Back 6 hours ago, and another developer launched America is Back 3 hours ago. We can also see the alien niche here. We have Asteroid that was launched over a year ago, and it's flying up at $7 million in market cap. Then we have Elon Musk, which is to do with space and aliens. This was launched 9 hours ago. And we have Make Aliens Great Again, which was launched 2 months ago. So you can see that there are similar meme coins that are tied to the same meta and the same trend. But what does this actually mean for us? How do we make the money vibrant? Now, we need to remember that these niches were formed after a big coin started to gain traction, right? We have America is Back that was launched a year ago. This was the first coin that blew up. Then we have the copycatted versions of these coins. It's the same with the alien coins. We have Make Aliens Great Again, launched 2 months ago, that is blowing up. And we have the copycatted version, Elon Musk. So let's quickly dive into Elon. This copied coin that this developer launched 9 hours ago has made him over $5,000 in creator rewards, as you can see here. 23rd, 24th, he's made 2.5k and 3k, so that's $5,500. And he's made another $7,000 in his bundled positions, just by copying the alien coin and slightly twisting on it. And you need to understand that to become a good developer, you need to spot these trends, spot these niches, spot these rising coins, and simply twist on them. So let's imagine that Elon Musk went to $10 million in market cap and it was trending #1 on Deck Screener. How would a good developer, or how would you twist on the meta, create your own copy version of the coin, and make a few $1,000s without risk at all? The way you do it is you copy the baseline version of the coin and you twist on it. So instead of saying this is Elon Musk, you say this is Don Alien Trump. And by the way, it doesn't take a genius to figure out this name. I got it from ChatGPT, and it doesn't take a genius to come up with this profile picture. I got it from Google in 20 seconds. So if the Alien Musk coin started rising and blowing up, you could launch an alien version of Donald Trump, an alien version of Jeffrey Epstein, an alien version of Cristiano Ronaldo. You can literally get the top lists of celebrities and launch alien versions on all of them. And I guarantee you this, that if Elon Musk, this coin, went to 10 million and it was trending #1, a developer would launch a coin to do with alien Trump and other different celebrities. This is the copycatted version of the alien Musk coin, but we twisted it. We created a different profile picture, a different name, but it's still tied to the same meta. And traders love this because they will see the coin #1, this would be the Musk coin, and it will go to $10 million in market cap. But for a trader to make a 2x on this, it now needs to go to 20 million. That's a $10 million market cap gain, and that is extremely hard. So what they want to do is, what they always do, is once this coin blows up, they literally wait for the copycatted versions to come about. This will be coin #2, this will be our coin, the alien Trump coin. And as this coin starts dying down in hype because traders start realizing they can't make that much money on it, and we launch our coin down here, it will start gaining popularity. And this happens a lot of the time where the main coin actually dies out and the copycatted versions, all the traders jump from the main coin to the second coin that was released. This will be Trump coin. Our coin would go up, it would then stagnate. Traders would realize, okay, at $5 million market cap, it can't make us much money. They would start selling and waiting for the next coin to be launched. So if you launch a Trump coin, a Jeffrey Epstein coin, a Cristiano Ronaldo coin, you can launch all of these at once, and the traders from the alien Musk coin would literally be sat there waiting for you to launch. You would have guaranteed buys, and guaranteed buys means guaranteed profit. So we have our $1 million coin idea. Now we need to build a website, an X, and a Telegram. And I'm not going to break that down in this YouTube video. I break that down inside of Viper. I'll show you exactly how to build a good website for cheap, quickly, a good X account, and how to set up your Telegram. Once you've done this, you then need to launch your coin and bundle. But when you launch a coin, you need to ask yourself a question. Are you going to launch onto Radium, or are you going to launch onto Pump Fund? Because both of these are very similar, but also very, very different, and they are good for different use cases. For Radium, it is much easier to stand out because you appear on Dex Screener straight away. You don't need to migrate. It's easier to begin marketing because a KOL would much rather promote a coin on Radium as opposed to Pump Fund. And as I said, you are on Dex Screener instantly. But the cons are that it is quite expensive. We're talking about 1.5 Solana to launch onto Radium. On Pump Fund, it's very cheap to launch and you can bundle a lot easier, but it is much harder to stand out because there are literally 20 coins being released per minute. Once again, inside of Viper, I break down exactly what to choose for what scenario. In this YouTube video, I'm not going to cover that. If you want more details, check out the link for Viper in the description. And once you've launched a coin, either on Radium or on Pump Fund, you then need to bundle because this is how you make the big money. But when you bundle, don't use a bundling bot ever, and don't use bundling websites ever. 99% of the time, all of these YouTube videos you see about bundling meme coins and launching them and making money, they will literally lead you to a website that will drain your money. I've had literally, I'm not joking, 50 messages from people telling me, I used X website, it was a bundling website, or it was a launching website, and I got drained, or I lost my money, or the bundling website doesn't even work. And with the bundling bots, most of them do work, but you end up paying 1 Solana, 0.5 Solana, 3 Solana to bundle your coin. So not only are you paying money to do this, which you can do it for free, and I teach you how to do this inside of Viper, but also the bundle can get flagged super easily. Any competent trader will go onto the chart and he will see that your coin is bundled. So it is a lose-lose. You pay money for your bundled position to not even be bundled, because the main purpose of a bundle is that you do it secretly and you end up holding 30% of supply without anyone realizing. If you get caught and you have to pay for this, you are literally just an idiot. The bundling method I teach inside of Viper is literally untraceable, and it is free to do. I learned this from one of the best developers on the entire planet, a guy who's launched coins that went to literally $100 million plus over and over again, and it cost me over $5,000 to learn his system. I've left a link for Viper in the description. It is by far, if you want to become a successful developer, I break down every launching method on the entire planet, and I've literally tested them all. I break down this method in immense detail. I tell you guys exactly what to do for what scenario, how to market, how to bundle, how to create the website, the Telegram. I give you guys different methods for if you don't have the money to launch these bigger projects, and how you can launch these fast, quick projects on UXento and end up making, even if you have $50, you can make $500 a day from my other methods. So if you guys are interested and you genuinely want to fast track your launch and success, then join Viper. I will personally save you hundreds of hours of your life, and I will save you tens of thousands of dollars in mistakes, I guarantee you. But let's move on. Once you've launched a coin and you have bundled your coin, your graph will look something like this. We have Don Alien Trump, we have the graph. It is sitting at a $5,000 market cap with your bundled wallets that are in the coin. But the problem now is, we are getting no buys. And just to give you guys a little bit of context on how much money you can make, if you bundle 5 Solana, which is around $400 at a 5k market cap, if you can somehow push the coin to a 10k market cap, you walk away with $400 in profit. If you can push the coin to a 30k market cap, you walk away with $1,200 in profit. I'm sure you guys get the idea. If you can push the coin to $1 million in market cap, then your bundled position will be $80,000 in profit. And if you simply up the bundle amount, you up your profit amount as well. So push it to 10k, which is a 2x your bundle, you make $800 in profit. Push it to 100k, you make $16,000 in profit. Push it to 1 million, you make $160,000 in profit. That is why these developers that you see launching these coins, I will click on a random meme coin. Let's not do this one. Let's do a smaller coin. In fact, let me just find a smaller coin. This was launched 3 hours ago. It is sitting at a $267,000 market cap, and the developer has walked away with 2.2, 1.8, 1.7, 1.3, around $10,000. And I guarantee you, if he bundled more, he would have made a lot more money as well. But even a tiny project like this can make you tens of thousands of dollars in profit. And remember, to get buys, you need eyes. And there are literally 101 different ways to market. I have tried every single method on the planet, and I've concluded that you should only stick to KOLs, to callers, to trending bots, and to boosts. These 4 methods will get you 99% of the eyes that you need to then get buys, and the other 90 methods out there like comment bots and raid bots and all of this garbage will only get you that 1% extra marginal gain. So to quickly summarize what a KOL and caller is, they are pretty much one person on X or Telegram that have an audience of anywhere between 3k to 100,000 meme coin traders, and you can literally pay them some money to tweet about your coin, to push your coin to their entire audience. I've had times where I've paid 1 Solana, this was a while ago, so this Solana was around $150, to a KOL, and this KOL promoted my coin to his audience of around 30,000 members. And from 1 single Solana, I literally got $70,000 worth of volume, and that 1 Solana that I spent in marketing made me over $30,000. So that is the power of KOLs and callers, but you also need to be careful because literally 95% of KOLs and callers are straight scammers. And what I mean by scammers is that they will bot up their audience, bot up their view count, bot up their likes. They will create a fake influencer account, a fake KOL account. You will end up paying them money. They will then promote your coin. You will see that the post has gotten, 20,000 views, but you've gotten 0 buys. And there is a very, very easy way to detect whether a KOL or caller is authentic. Once again, I teach that inside of Vibe. I'm not going to break it down here on YouTube. But new developers, if you don't have someone to hold your hand through stuff like this, I guarantee you this, and I promise you it will happen to you, no matter how smart you are, no matter how clever you think you are, or how good you are at launching meme coins. If you don't have a system in place where you literally follow it step by step, you will get scammed by a KOL, you will get scammed by a caller multiple times over and over again, and this will end up costing you literally thousands of dollars. So just be extremely careful when working with KOLs and working with callers. So once you start getting buys, the process becomes much easier and it's literally exponential. And what I mean by this is, let's say you get 50k in volume, right? Your coin is now sitting at a market cap of 30,000. It will then start to rise on Deck Screener. It will climb the ranks. That means more traders will start seeing your coins. That means on different trending bots, your coin will also rise in popularity, which means more people will see your coin. And as you get more buys and you get more promotions, your coin literally just goes up and up and up, because as it climbs the ranks, more people see it, more people buy it. More people buying it means it goes even higher, which means it climbs the ranks even quicker, and the process is exponential. So once this starts happening, start selling, cash out, and once the hype dies down, sell everything. So let's say that we bundle 5 Solana at a 5k market cap, and then we push the coin to $250,000 in market cap, which is actually extremely easy to do, and this is why developers make so much. We get 750k in total volume. We will sell with a $20,000 profit. Now we take away the expenses, which is our marketing and our coin launching fees, which will be around $2,000. We are left with $18,000 in profit if we can push a coin to 250k in market cap, which once again, once you know how to do it, you can literally do it over and over again. And that's why developers make so much money. But the profits doesn't stop there, because then you go and you check your creator rewards. Now developers, most people don't know this, but developers make 0.3% per transaction. So if our coin gets 750k total volume times 0.3%, we make an additional $2,250. And for example, the Alien Musk token, it went to a market cap of around $213,000 and got 660k in volume. If we check the developer's wallet and how much money he made with the creator rewards, we can see he's launched multiple coins. He's made $89,000. It was launched on the 23rd. It's now the 24th of April. So 23rd of April, he made 2.5k. 24th of April, he made 3k. So this developer from this coin that went to a market cap of 207,000 made over $5,000 in the creator rewards program. And this number does go up and down, but on average, it is 0.3. So that means our total profit from this one project would be $20,050 if we can push it to 250k. And that is the power of being a developer. This is not even me saying, let's push a coin to 10 million. 250k is still considered a small project. So making $3,000 a day, you literally need to bundle a coin at 5k market cap and push it to 50k, which can literally happen organically, or it can be one single KOL promotion. Making money launching meme coins is by far the easiest way to get rich in 2025, and especially within meme coins. Most people just don't know how to do it. There's a lot of traps everywhere, like fake KOLs, fake bundling bots. They don't know what websites to use, but hopefully this video has given you more clarity on the exact process that developers use. And like I said at the start, this is literally the same exact method that I used to make hundreds of thousands of dollars. You find the trend, you copy the coin that's rising, you create a twisted version of that coin, you launch it, you bundle it, you market it, and then you literally sell and move on to the next one. If you guys want the full system where I break everything down 10 times harder and show you exactly what to do and give you guys different methods for your budget, so even if you have 0.5 Solana, you can start with one method, make some money and move on to this method, then check out the link in the description for Viper. It is by far the only and the best coin launching community on the entire planet, and if you are genuinely serious about becoming a developer, you need to be inside, because the ROI that you will make back on your money is insane. And I've had multiple students who have joined with zero knowledge, and now they have teams and launch these projects that you probably lose money on if you are a trader. With that being said, if you have any questions at all, message me on Telegram, leave a comment, like the video, and if you're a serious aspiring developer, I will see you inside of Viper, but if not, I will see you in the next YouTube video. I wish you the best of luck on your coin launching career, and with that being said, have a great day.